Hi everybody, my name's Hannah and this is my first YouTube video. I'm actually filming a video of a swap unboxing I did with a good friend in Texas in the USA called Christina's Talents from Instagram. If you want to check her out, we have been talking for a while now, and we first met on Instagram when a fellow nail polish lover posted a picture of some Revlon nail polish, and it said that there was a coupon out, so it was extra cheap, like $1.50 or something. And I commented saying that I was very depressed because Revlon nail polish in Australia it's like $14–15 each, so I was quite sad. And Christina went ahead and asked me to contact her, and she was so nice enough to say that she would get me some nail polish, and I was so happy about that because I was willing to pay her for the nail polish so she could send it to me, because it was a lot cheaper than buying it here in Australia. And we just started talking more, and then she started saying how she would have liked Australian nail polish because there's no way she could get it, and so I said, well, how about we do a swap? So that's what we did, and she got my packages. We've got strict custom regulations in Australia, so I had to split mine into little packages, but she sent me a big box, which I'm so excited that I got today. Look at that box. I don't know if you saw anything there. Very, very cute. Like on this side, it says, "Am I home yet?" That's so pretty. Yes, you are home. So I am filming an unboxing, so I'm going to open up this bad boy right now. Now, she said to me, I've got some scissors right here, that the card, she forgot to put the card in when she sealed up the box. So she said it was just under the plastic. Oh, there's a card. Yep, that's it. So let me just have a little quick look at that. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Love it. I'll read that later actually, because that has no business being on the internet. That is between me and you. Now, Christina is a lovely girl, and I'll link her down below. And she's actually just started up her own indie line in America called Party Girl Lacquer, and I will link that down below as well to check that out, because that looks so beautiful, and it's in America and not in Australia, but I can look from afar. So let's see how I can open up this bad boy. By the way, I just love this tape. Look how beautiful this colour tape is. We have the most boring tape in Australia. So boring. But it is beautiful. Certainly makes packing look extra fun. Oh, okay. Let's start that. Ooh, nice strong scissors. Almost there, I promise. Oh, got it. Okay, so I open the box, and I see a lot of goodies. That's inside the box. Oh. So, first up I noticed these cool nail wheels, and I'm looking forward to practicing some nail art on them. If you want to check my Instagram page out, it is Hannick7107, and I'll link that down below as well, so you can check that out because, you know, everyone loves nail art. And next, oh, some Lucky Charms. Oh, I'm so looking forward to trying these out. And next up, oh, I've heard of these, an EOS lip balm. Oh, in summer fruit. Awesome. Oh, I can't wait to try that out. Oh. Okay, I'm so excited. So I'm sorry if you don't like these types of videos where everyone's so excited opening up presents like it's Christmas time. But I'm excited and I'm going to show that I'm excited. So, I'm excited. Okay. See some little Snickers minis and I love me some Snickers. Oh. Some Jolly Ranchers. Now we did talk about these. So excited. Just love myself. I love candy. I love chocolate. And I've been looking forward to trying American chocolate and candy. Ooh. These look like takeaway foods. I don't know if you can see that properly. Got some hamburgers and over here's a pizza. I like that. Okay. And ooh, some Rice Krispie treats. In Australia we have something like this and we call them LCMs. But I guess you can't go wrong with an original Rice Krispie treat. Very excited to try that too. And in here, ooh, we have some Hello Kitty lip balm, gingerbread flavoured. Ooh, and I'm guessing these are toe separators, which are also very handy. Love painting my toenails as well as my fingernails. Today I'm wearing, it's an Alana Renee indie nail polish called Stupefy or Stoopfy, I don't know how it's pronounced, but I say Stupefy. And what's this here? Whataburger spicy ketchup. Ooh, my husband is going to love that. Some actual spicy ketchup from America. He loves his spicy stuff. Okay, what else do we have here? Some LA Colors nail polish remover pads. Ooh, melon scented. That is cool. I don't know if that's even going to show. Got a bright light. Bright big window in front of me. Thank you, Christina. And, oh my god. Oh, some leopard print duct tape. And it's pink and green. Oh my gosh, they have the best colours together. My daughter's room is all pink and green and white. But oh, I'm looking forward to using this, and my husband is not touching it. Okay. Oh, this is so exciting. And this little love heart says kisses. Ooh. Oh. Have some rings. Oh, my daughter is going to love this little ring. And it's got some glitter. Some gold glitter in here. And another ring, an orange one. With some silver glitter. Perfect for nail art. And that will get used. Can't put that back in there properly. I'll do that later. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Oh, this is some chocolate. Oh, that's right. She has a chocolate business. Velata. I don't know if you want me to show you. I'll cover that up. Velata. And there's some different types of chocolate in there. I'm looking forward to trying that out. Definitely. Maybe I'll share with the kids. And some Ghirardelli chocolate squares, milk and hazelnut crisp. Yummy. And some more Jolly Ranchers. Oh, girl, you spoilt me. This might last a couple of days, maybe. Jolly Ranchers. I actually Googled US candy to see what there is that's not in Australia, and Jolly Ranchers came up, and they looked so good. And apparently it comes in a drink as well, which, oh my gosh, that needs to be here. Okay, got lots of little Snickers. Okay. Now, I don't know where to start. Oh, look at this. Oh, this cute bag. Oh, I love this bag, and I'm so going to use this. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm going to open her up. Oh, there's more chocolate. M&M's. Pretzel M&M's. That's right, pretzel M&M's. Wow. That'd be cool. In Australia, we just got like the boring M&M's. Oh my gosh, look in here. I think I have died and gone to nail polish heaven. Oh my gosh, where do I begin? This is going to be a long video, but you know what? I don't care. It's going to take hours to upload, but I don't care. Look at these cute little bags. Okay. Oh, so pretty. Okay. There's glitter going everywhere. But again, I don't care. Oh, these are the Revlons. Cheap Revlon. This is Ocean. Oops, where are you? There you are. Man. Something that cost $4 usually in America is $15 in Australia. Go figure. Oh, that is so beautiful. I might have to go a little bit faster. I'll try anyway. Can't promise anything because I'm just... It's Christmas morning right now on this 1st of July. Christmas in July. This is Zealous. Beautiful shimmery yellow. I don't know if you can see that properly. Probably not. Our window is huge and it's letting in light, so I don't care. I'm in love with all nail polish. Doesn't matter the colour. Oh, I love bright polish. I love dark polish. Oh, I love bubble wrap. So do my kids, so maybe I should leave some of them for them. Oh, I love this. Oh, it's woolly. I can't get it out. Okay. Oh, very pretty. Blue collar from Orly. Very nice. Okay. a little mini. Bonita nail polish. Can't see a colour, but it's like a silver, a shimmery silver. Very beautiful. And some OPI Avo Juice Skin Quenches Vanilla Snowflake Hand and Body Lotion. Oh, that is good, and I love my hand lotions. Hand lotions, cuticle oil, lemon lime beer salt. Oh, wow. Add a dash of citrus to your beer. Oh my gosh. This is awesome stuff. Now, if this is for beer, I'm guessing this is probably for my husband. He is going to love it. I can't wait to show him that. We so want to move to America. Christina, I've got to research flights, see how much I'm up for, find my husband a job there, and we are over there. Okay, another Revlon. There's glitter over everything. Fuchsia Fever. So pretty. Love that. Love it, love it. I think my fingernails are going to be busy for quite a while. Okay. Open up! I want to see. Ooh, it's a glitter. Revlon Radiant. Oh, look at that glitter. Oh, I'm looking forward to using that one. I'm looking forward to using all of them. Oh, just amazing. Got glitter piling up in front of me. Oh, I have my first SC nail polish. And I can't get into it fast enough. Mojito Madness. Ooh. Oh, that is a beautiful green. Love it. Oh, so pretty. And some more skin therapy cream. Gold Bond Ultimate. Healing with aloe. Heals dry problem skin. That'll be good. More hand cream. Ooh, some bubblegum antibacterial hand gel from Bath and Body Works. Oh my gosh. I've heard about Bath and Body Works so much. Now I've got something from there. Oh my gosh. Oh, that smells like bubblegum. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna want to eat it and put it on my hands. Oh, look at this nail file. Oh, I love it. Ooh. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna have to do 2 videos, so after I've emptied out this bag, I'm still running this bag, I'll have to stop it and do a part 2. So excited. Another Revlon. Heavenly. Oh, this looks heavenly. Oh, it's got packed with iridescent glitter. That would look gorgeous over everything. Yay. Oops. Okay. Okay. And, ooh, another Revlon. Oh, this looks so beautiful. scandalous. Oh, beautiful. Lots of purple glitter. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. And what else is in here? You should see all the glitter in the bottom of this bag. Ah! Oh my gosh. My husband is going to love you, Christina. He is a stubby holder collectaholic. He hoards stubby holders and I hoard nail polish. And now he has a Corpus Christi one. Oh my gosh, he's going to be so excited. Oh, I love it. I might just use it for myself, actually. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so that's all of that bag. So I'm going to stop this and start a part 2. So watch that one as well. So that's it for part 1, and I'll see you soon.